Ji, Assalamu alaikum friends. How are you? As always, I'm good. I hope you all are fine. First of all, thanks to be here on this video, on this channel. Okay, you can see on your screen a castle crown nut. Today we learn how to make a castle crown nut. This is very simple, easy and beautiful tutorial. Okay, here you learn how to make castle crown nut, how we can make threads, internal threads and these flanges. Okay, let's start to create this castle crown nut. Okay, open up your new file, part here. Okay, select front plane and go to sketch. Here select a simple center line. Okay. Draw a center line passing through its origin. Now select line. Okay, a vertical line, a line at any angle, a horizontal line, a line at angle, a vertical line, a horizontal line, and my last and first point. Okay, select dimension tool. Now give it dimension from this line to this line. It should be 19. Give it dimension 19 mm. Okay, length from here to here is 34. Keep it 34 mm. Okay, here. Okay, select this line and this line and give it angle 45 mm. Select this line. Okay, 45, it's exactly right. Again select this line and this line, give it angle at 45 mm. 45 mm. Okay, select this line and make it horizontal. This also will be horizontal. Okay, now again go to dimensioning tool, select this line and this line. Distance between this line should be also 19 mm. Give it 19 mm. Okay, one more thing, this line, shift key, this point coincident. Okay, our simply sketch is ready. Now go to simply features, called boss base. Okay, here you can see a simple nut ready for the castle crown nut. Okay, here select this face and go to sketch, x-axis, select a circle and from center point to here, again go to center point and select this. Okay, sorry, again select this from this point to this line. Okay, here go to dimension tool and give it dimension. Outer side diameter is 57 mm. It's almost right. Okay, go to features and extrude boss base. Select the command extrude boss base, give it dimension 12 mm, and now we'll see at simple rotate view. Now you can see this inside hollow. Okay, here select OK. Okay, it's almost ready. Now select this face and sketch. Go to sketch, select this internal line. Okay, and here convert entities. Go to the features and here curve and line, helix and spiral. Okay. Okay, here 3 mm, reverse direction 22 mm, 22 revolutions. Okay. Okay, go select this, and now here go to front plane, sketch. Okay, simply z-axis, and here select line, draw horizontal line. Okay, simply draw a rectangle. Okay, here go to dimensioning tool, as always, for dimension, for define object. This is 4.5 mm, this is 4.5, and angle of from here to here is 60. This is 60. Okay, select this center and shift key this center of this line. Okay, this should be horizontal. Okay, it's right. Now again select this line and make it horizontal. Again go here, line, select a center line, draw a center line from here to this point. Okay, select this point, shift key, select this line and make it coincidence. Okay, now find out this center, this line, center point, and shift key, select this helix, make it base. Okay, now simply go to exit. Now features, here swift cut, you can see a command swift cut, select swift cut command. Here sketch 4 already selected. Now at the second path here select this helix. Okay, you can see our simple thread is ready, created here. Okay, now go to helix and hide this one. Okay, show. Okay, here I think we have some problems here. Okay, edit. Go to the edit. Okay, it's all right. Okay, here now solve and go to here, it's hide. Everything is right, clear. Okay, revolve view. Okay, you can see here threads is created. Okay, here now go to this face and sketch command. Okay, x-axis and this side view. Select a polygon here, draw a polygon and this point. Okay, dimensioning tool, give it dimension 66 mm. just a minute. Go at this center, select this center point and select this, make coincidence. Okay, now give it dimension 67. Okay, here it's alright. Go to features, extrude cut, extrude boss base, sorry, extrude cut, not extrude boss base, extrude cut command, and this select here Philip outside here. Okay, it should be 32 mm or 34 mm. Okay, here select OK command. Just go again here, edit sketch. It's alright, not any fault, but go here this line and make it vertical. I think this is okay. Here rotate view. Okay, you can see here. Now the last thing, select again our front plane sketch up to level 2. Okay, here go again center line, find a center point here and draw center line. Okay, sorry for brightness because of going battery, so I took down the brightness. Okay, now go here, corner rectangle, draw rectangle, start here to end this point, give it dimension from here to this line should be 4.5, and this line to this line it's also 4.5. Okay, it's mean totally it's 9 mm. Now select this line, sorry, here select this line, shift key, select this point, make it coincident. Again go here, select this point and select this line, make midpoint. Okay, select this line, make it horizontal and same horizontal. Go to this sketch fillet, 3 mm, put it 3 mm here and select this, also select this one and OK. Go features, just a minute, go here to features. Okay, go features, extrude cut, okay, here it's right. Okay, it's cut. Now go here, linear pattern, select circular pattern. Okay, select this cut, extrude cut. Okay, and now 360° 8 equal spacing, go here and select this line. Okay, Now our simple castle crown nut is ready. You can see it's looking beautiful. It's simple. Okay, last thing, add material, add steel. Okay, simple steels. I hope you like this. It was very simple and simple tutorial how to create castle crown nut. Like, share. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and like this video. Comment if you have any questions about this, so please comment. I'll give every and each comment. I give answer, reply of every and each comment. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Thanks a lot. Good luck.